Weird weight loss tip number 2. Get pictures of yourself when you were smaller and put them on your phone, put them on your fridge, put them all around your house, okay? And then set a timer. If you're not at your house, set a timer for you to remind yourself to look at your phone, to look at yourself when you were smaller. And always visualize yourself the size you want to be and the feeling that you will have when you accomplish your weight loss goal, okay? So if you don't have any pictures of yourself, if you always have been big, I highly doubt that. You were small at some point, okay? But in your adult life, maybe you were big your whole adult life. Take some pictures of you as a younger, 18-year-old or something, and visualize and put those pictures everywhere and set that timer for you to look at your phone and say, that's what I'm gonna look like. And then look at your food and just say, I don't really want this chocolate. And then just eat the healthy food instead, because you're worth it, okay?